Good morning, my dear children. How are you all? Children, as you know, we have already started our Theme 6 book, Veda Theme. And yesterday we have spoken about longest and shortest concept. That time I have told you whenever we are talking about long, short, these two terms, we are actually talking about length and how to know how to measure length. When a thing is in a sleeping position, we actually measure the length. Whenever ma'am is talking about long and short, it means the thing should be in sleeping position or horizontal position. And yesterday I have shown you so many objects, pencil, crayons, toys, and how they are in a sleeping position. So we can say which one is longest and which one is shortest. And we have learned how to measure the length without using any ruler or scale, right? We have used our palm, we have used hand span, we have used crayons, and here we, as it is shown in the book squares, we have done that also in our session. Now what if the thing is in standing position, vertical? What if the for example, just like this, plants. See, as we know, all plants are always in a standing position, right? So what if, how we can say which one is longest? We can use the word longest. We use the word tall, short, right? When we are talking about the plants. Why? Because plants is in a standing position, and when an object is in standing position or vertical position, we are talking about the height of that thing. Yes, height. When sleeping, it is length. When a object is in standing, it is height. Standing means vertical position. Like the plants, you can see, even we can use the same word tall and short for human beings, because we humans always stand on our two legs, right? Until unless we are sleeping. When we are actually sleeping, that time we are in sleeping position. But remaining the day, we are in standing position or sitting, but we are using our two legs, so standing. So that's why we are talking about height. Whenever ma'am is asking about your height, because standing. So here you can see there are three people. Now whenever there is more than two, like this stool, there is more than two stool, so we use the term tallest and shortest, because comparison, we are comparing, right? We have different heights of stool, not the same height. Similarly, we have animals, giraffe, camel, bear, they are different in height. So I can ask among them who is the tallest and who is the shortest animal. And this thing you can do by observing, right? Here for example, let's see who is the tallest one, this one. And who is the shortest one? I will use another color, this one. Now as there is a three animals, I use the term tallest and shortest. If there will be more than two animals, that's why I use the term tallest and shortest. If there is only two animals, I can use the word taller and shorter. That I have already told you. Now let's see what is in your book. Yes, in your book, page number 27. It is written tallest and shortest. Yes. Here they have given picture of three giraffe, and as these are giraffe are standing, so I can say we are talking about their height. And when we are talking about that height, we can find tall and short. And now as we are having more than two giraffe, we can say that which one is tallest and which one is shortest. Now let me take my brush. This one is tallest, and this thing you can see by observing. Now what the instruction is given, they have said color only the tallest giraffe, only the tallest giraffe, don't color all giraffe, only the tallest one. Now second question, what they have done, they have given you a tree, right? Now I will take another color. They have asked you to draw a tree here which is taller than this. Given tree से taller एक tree आपको left hand side box में बनाना है, and you have to draw a shorter tree here than this. Given tree से shorter tree बनाना है. Okay, when you will complete, you will see there are 3 trees. One is tallest, one is shortest. They have given one tree. You have to make a tree which is taller than it. You have to draw a tree which is shorter than it. Okay. So today also I will teach you how to measure height, because we have learned without using scale or ruler we can measure length. So why not height? So for height, here in your book they have used square as they have done for length, but I am telling you for height also you can use crayons, you can use ice cream stick, you can use your palm, you can use your hand span. We can use as we have done for length, but in your book it is given only square. So we will complete the square part. Now here I will not do. Here why? Because I have teach you how to measure length. Now same thing is there. Only the what is the difference? All squares are in standing, all things are in standing. That's why we are measuring height, right? Here also you have to apply the same process. You have to see the end where it is ending. For example, this bottle, it is ending here. 1 minute. It is ending here. And you have to count how many squares are there. The flower is ending here. So you have to count how many squares are there. Same way. So I am not doing anything. You have to count and you have to write. You have to count and you have to write. Children, not all squares. You have to count the height of this basket. You have to count the height of this stool. So you have to see the end point and you have to count and you have to write here. Same as we have done in page number 30 for the length, measuring length. Okay. Now this 4 you will do. I will not do because it is same as length, only it is in standing position. Now we will turn the page number 33. Here also first you have to find the height. There are 2 ice cream scoops. You have to find out the height, and here what is the difference? Here only you have to write the number of the squares. You don't have to write the way we have done. 1 minute. Here in this page you have to write here, and page number 33 the same number you have to write in this small box. Okay, first measure the height of both the ice creams and both the teddy bears, then compare which one is taller. How will compare? Which is having more squares, that is taller, right? जो ज़्यादा स्क्वायर जिसके हाइट में है वो taller है. You have to circle that object. Okay, you have to circle that object. Now children, you have 3 things to do. First you have to color the tallest giraffe, and then you have to draw a tree which is taller than the given tree and another tree which is shorter than the given tree. Okay, then you have to measure the height of the things by counting the squares and write the number, and last you have to first find the height of the things, and then you have to find out who is taller. And how we will find out? By seeing the number of the squares. Who is having more square, it is taller, and you have to circle the taller object only. Okay children, so let's start your work. Till then, bye.